Initiatives done by the alumni faculty of Wellinger, and also it's starring some of the best talent that we have in the country. So we are very, very excited to have a look at the film. But before that, a small thought. We've been seeing trailers on social media about Khoon Mein Hai. So what is Khoon Mein Hai? So it's time to unveil the secret behind Khoon Mein Hai. So it's a quirky, fun film on a cause which is very, very important for all of us, which is to donate blood. I don't want to tell you much about it, but let's first, before we actually see the film and have the people who are associated with them, I would like to invite on stage somebody who is going to welcome everyone, someone who is the pillar behind Wellinger Institute of Management. Okay, so with a huge round of applause, can I have Professor Dr. Uday Farooqui?
Alum and students, they have come out with this wonderful drive, and I have with me my mentor and the lady who was the part of National Education Policy team. So I just shared with her, we just finished the meeting, and I requested her that how we can bring the youth.
I'm actually pretty overwhelmed with gratitude. The cause for which the film is made is so dear to me, and I've been a part of this area, studied in the educational institution next door. I work out every day, exactly opposite, and the hospital's not very far off. So it feels like standing on home ground. But let me be very grateful first, not just to...
I start crying. So, Dr. Radhakrishna's words have inspired me. I am a person, both my parents are doctors, and I have seen them work day out and night. I also work for 18 hours a day, so giving back to society is my motto, but not my blood. But I know there is a need. There is a need that in whatever...
Thank you. And now it's time for us to welcome entertainment. Okay. The Munda from Delhi, who you saw in the film. Huge round of applause for the very, very talented Apar Shakti people. Talent, intelligence, beauty, grace, सब कुछ इनके खून में है. Okay, the superstar of India. Huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for Kajal Agarwal. And last but not the least, your very own director, who is the force behind this film, Dr. Uday Farooqui. So I'm just going to ask a few questions, and I'm sure then the students, the members of press would also like to interact with you. So just one or two questions from my end. So let's start with Kush. Kush, you have a family.
Be better than the rest or be different from the rest. So I think I'm going down the second line, right? I'm trying to be different. I mean, there are already enough actors. I mean, they're doing their bit. My sister is doing her movies. My brother is doing his movie. My father has done his work. I think it's important that I try something different and do something that I feel driven towards also. I've always had an interest in direction. Right from school days, I used to direct school plays. I've studied filmmaking. So that's my calling. I've chosen to follow it. That's why.
So just one more additional question. This is your digital debut, right? So this is the film. What do we see in the future? What do we expect from Kush? How was your experience? Are you going to be digital? Is a huge medium today. Are you going to be doing a lot of films on digital? What do we expect in the future?
You know, I don't differentiate between mediums because honestly, I think this only is happening in India. Where say, ये web है और ये online platform. In the end, I think within 5 years, nobody's going to make this distinction. कि कहाँ पे ये film दिख रही है या कहाँ पे ये चल रहा है. It's as simple as saying, you make a film, you do the best of your ability to make that, and then you let it out there into the space that it has to go into. That's how I see it. So no distinction for me at this point. As long as the story interests me, as long as I feel I can contribute something good to it, I'll do it.
Great. Moving on to Aparshakti. Aparshakti, I'm sure your performance, like always, is going to be appreciated, loved, and you've done a great job. How was it playing this character? Probably when you were approached for the role, because it's not a very positive character. And a lot of actors are like, in a cost film, I want to be the hero at the end of it all. Okay, but you've added your flavor and your spice to the character. So how was the experience?
Starting with, I don't come from that mindset that I have to be the hero of any kind of work I, be a part of. The very reason I took 7-8 years in Delhi to come to Bombay, it was not a, a proper hunky-dory Star Brother entry to this field. Whatever came my way, I just picked it up, and God was kind enough to give me good work with happy people, nice people, positive people. Talking about this film, the very first day when we met, we were on the same page. I think luckily that was the best part about putting everything together. The way they told me that this is what you're supposed to do. Not that I'm this loud Punjabi in real life, but yeah, I tried to copy what he was saying, what the writer was saying, and then of course, then you see a good-looking girl and you try to show off. That just came naturally.
So actually, that was my next question. You've been a Delhi boy, and I'm sure that even though you train not to be that loud Punjabi, you've had any friends whom you've taken inspiration from to play?
Of course, do not want to name them. Never. Not that day for sure. But of course, North is full of interesting characters. So luckily, I have people around me who are. I would not say loud. I would not say interesting is a nice word. But at the same time, it's just that how sometimes we are brought up in the North. One of the line is there, right? Living larger than life Bollywood style. Bollywood style, so I think they all want to go on a very. I come from Chandigarh actually, not even Delhi. So there's a giddy route. They just want to, be in a big car and just roam around without any reason. Not that I have done that, but of course I know how it happens. So thankfully I have seen such characters. So maybe it was easier for me to then pull it off.
Great.
Yeah.
Sorry, can I just add to that?
Yes, please.
No, I'm not going to say anything bad about you. Don't get so frightened the minute I get the mic in my hand. Hi guys. So, I'd like to add a little bit to what Apar just said. I agree that, there are interesting characters, but we have exaggerated for effect, and at the end of the day, this is just a stereotype. So, please, nobody should get offended by anything that's been projected in the course of this film.
So Kajal, you can keep the mic, because my next question to you. First, before I ask the question, I think we are not just North, but North, West, East, South, because you've done cinema in practically all languages. Okay, I'm sure going to be a huge asset, and it'll help, as Doctor was saying rightly as well, it'll help spread the message of the film. So thank you very much for being a part of this.
Thank you so much. I really hope that was the intention, and I really hope it does.
Yeah. So let me start off with a fun question for you. If you actually came across a guy like this on a blind date, what would you do?
So I don't play a stereotype, guys. I play majority of how girls are. Aren't most of us like that, girls? Yes. Right. So I do exactly what I did on screen.
Exactly. Okay. Now, my next question to you is on a slightly serious note. How important is it for actors to be a part of social causes? Do you necessarily have to believe in them? Or what do you do in your own bit to spread the message of social causes? And especially superstars like you.
I won't be able to generalize, but I can only speak of myself. I strongly believe in associating with causes that I believe in. It always helps if you believe in it, because you'll be more passionate about it. And I believe that yes, we should. I personally want to try and influence in the best possible manner, especially for all the little followers that I have. And anything that can make a difference, anything that we receive so much love, adulation, appreciation, so much of it that it kind of becomes our social responsibility to give back and to want to influence people who follow us so dearly, who encourage us. every single day of our lives, and we are here because you guys are here. And it's just a responsibility to kind of influence people in the right way, in the best way possible.
Well spoken, Kash. Thank you very much. Last but certainly not the least, Dr. Sankhe sir. How does it feel that, I just wanted to, I'm sure you're aware of it, this film was written by Ankit, who's an alumnus of the school. It was put together by Sankhe, who's also from this school. How does we school inculcate this entire passion in students, which is jo aapke खून में है, to actually put together causes like this?
Yes, somewhere, always I'm of the opinion that to transform our nation from where we are to where we wish to be, youth can play a tremendous role, and probably universities and colleges and schools are the best places wherein we must inculcate such kind of at least habits of giving back to the society, giving back to the nation. When we look at some of the tiny countries, maybe Israel and maybe a couple of others in the world, you feel that what are we doing? Are we doing good enough? So in our own way, and probably you can see that we change our name from big name to branding point of view, We School. We is the new I, that's what we believe. And in that cause, we are trying to contribute and try to inculcate as much as possible in our students that in your own way, what the best way you can give back. It may be Make in India, it may be Digital India, it may be Innovate India, and this is like for caring India. If you could care for each other and create a beautiful tomorrow for all of us, nothing like it.
Right, so thank you very much. So you have
Or you know every language, you have done movies, or what was the biggest challenge for you in doing multi-language movies?
May I know your name, please?
I'm Gaurav Bhattacharya.
Hi, Gaurav.
Hello.
So, no, I don't know. I did not know every language when I initially started out. I have done movies in Telugu and Tamil and in Hindi. Hindi is obviously a home turf, so it comes naturally to me. I'm a Punjabi girl and I live in Churchgate. And having said that, I've picked up Telugu over the past few years. I can now speak in Telugu. I can understand Telugu fluently. I am not very good with my conversational speech in Tamil, but I do understand the language now.
My question to you is the movie only launching in Hindi or is it also launching in the other languages?
We're looking at other languages also. I mean, this is obviously the initial launch, but we will be dubbing it in other languages so we can spread the message as far as we can.
Thank you so much. I request everybody to please go ahead and share this on Facebook and all the social media that you have.
And a big thank you to all of you for appreciating the film so much. I was really enjoying myself when I heard all of you guys laughing, hooting and clapping. It was awesome.
Thank you so much. And also, just before we conclude, I'd also like to thank a lot of people who are here right now. So this film is always a team effort. Obviously, I was lucky to get really talented actors like Kajal and Apar, but there are also a lot of people behind the scenes. As Aditya mentioned, Sagar Thakkar, Ankit Sharma, but there are a lot of people here also from Business of Ideas who have contributed in making this film. Siddharth Sharma, so many other people, the music, everything. So, I mean, I can't take all the names right now because I might have to sit here for 2 hours then, but I definitely like to thank them also. Thank you all very much.
Why did you thought of starting it with a social cause?
Country, we need to do more social causes so people are active. Let's just look at the facts, right? Why do we have a shortfall of blood units in this country when there's so many people here? Because people are not aware and people are not active. If we can make a difference in any way, and the fact that Kajal and Apar also took out their time from their busy schedules to come and do this, I mean, that's very important. And I think it's good that we've done this film together. We hope it changes people's minds. And let me conclude it by saying this, that, real power is not just the ability to influence people's minds. Real power is the ability to influence people's minds for the greater good. And that's how I see it when I do my work.
You approach your family members also for this film, या उनके पास dates नहीं?
No. I didn't approach my family members because I wanted to do my work independently. आप तो जानते हैं अभी कितनी controversy चल रही है वैसे भी.
And in any case, now we are an extended family. So.
Apart Shakti, आप दोनों भाई मतलब like both of you have decided apart from acting, you will be doing social work and contributing to society. आप लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा कि वो विकी डोनर बने, आप ब्लड डोनर.
First thing I mean, yeah, of course, as long. Thank you so much, Kajal, for rescuing me again. पहले भी politically correct answer ने कर दिया suddenly. So yeah, of course, as long as I'm, we both are contributing towards the society, I think तब तक सब कुछ perfect है. And
ये तो
talking about
politically correct हो गया, जो असली है वो बोलिए ना.
नहीं यार नहीं है और इससे सच बात क्या बोलूँगा? मेरी आंखों में सच्चाई नजर नहीं आ रही.
करीब आओ तो देखिए.
I think यहाँ का खुराफाती इंसान ये है. इनको जानबूझ के बुलाया गया हम मसाला क्रिएट कर रहे हैं. But thank you so much, brother. Thank God we're not at a roast this thing yet. But thank you so much for the awesome question. But yeah, we've been doing our bit to give it back to the society. Not only on donation front, me and my wife were running like where we used to stay in GK. We were doing a summer school for all the maids. Where they would come and learn English and Hindi from my wife and learn music and co-curricular activities from me. So we were doing this every summer for 3 years back to back. Now that I've shifted to Bombay, I'll try to continue it here, but I'm very new to this city, so I don't know how things will shape up.
Kajal, beautiful.
You're not going to spare me, no? Now, after this?
I think you were rather warming up with me and now coming the big question.
Hi, may I know your name?
Sumit Sharma from India TV.
Hi, Sumit.
I thought you were one of the students, you look so young.
Maska polish, हाँ? ये सब maska polish.
मैं पूछ रहा था are the beautiful person have beautiful blood also like?
I told you were just warming up with me for the big question here.
So since so many things हमारे खून में है, I'm sure अब ये भी खून में ही होगा. I mean, मैं क्या बोलूँ? I am a regular donor. I donate blood very often, and maybe you should ask this question to the people who have donated. Maybe they'll be able to answer better.
So thank you so much for the enlightenment.
Pleasure, as always.
उदय, हम लोग देख रहे हैं कि काफी शॉर्ट फिल्म्स का जो इनॉग्रेशन या लॉन्च आजकल बलिंकर में ही हो रहा है. So are you collaborating with this या आपने पर्पस बना लिया?
So I haven't started collaborating yet, but yeah, we'll think about it. Let's figure it out.
मैंने उनसे पूछा था.
अच्छा एक मिनट.
In fact, credit for this goes to Aditya, my alums, and my students who work together in part of the
Questions on behalf of everyone. Thank you very much.
Sumit, I must tell you, Sumit Sharma, right? Yes. Thank you so much for coming here. जितने लोग फिल्म देख के हंस रहे थे, उससे ज़्यादा आपके क्वेश्चन देख के हंस रहे थे. I'm saying in a good way, यार. मैं बहुत politically incorrect इंसान हूँ. मैं बहुत सीधा ऐसे दिल से बोल देता हूँ. You were bang on. Thank you so much. Not only him, but everyone. Each presence here and supporting this cause from Tata Memorial to Aditya to Uday sir को shoot पे भी थे. We were chilling with him at this shoot during lunch, and Kush and Kajal both, thank you so much for making me a part of it and tolerating me the other day and today as well. Thank you so much.
Thank you. So on this note, ladies and gentlemen, can we have a photo? Please, can I also at this point invite on stage Ankit and Sagar, who were the forces behind this film as well, to just have a quick photo of it.
Guys, please give it up for Ankit and Sagar.